Fall is officially here. It's the ultimate time to tackle simple home updates. Here with 4 easy tips to take us from the yard to the bathroom is 20-year home improvement lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Hi, Kathryn. Thanks for joining us today.
Always love talking to you, Carrie. Want to start outside in the yard? That's where we're supposed to start for fall cleanup.
Let's do it, girl.
All right, so now's the time. You want to trim back those trees, cut those bushes, clear the yard out. I am so excited to introduce to you. This is Green Machine. It's going to give you all the power and performance of professional tools without gas. So that means 0 emissions, low noise. You're going to get a 62-volt lithium-ion high-performance battery, with each of these tools with a rapid charger. Your runtime is going to be anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours, so you can get the job done. The chainsaw is a 16-inch auto tensioning chain, which means it's automatically going to adjust for a cleaner, safer cut. The leaf blower goes 120 miles per hour. The hedge trimmer has one push of a button. You can go vertical or horizontal cuts. Amazing. I just love that it all runs on the 62-volt lithium-ion battery. This is a HomeDepot.com exclusive Green Machine. You heard it here first. I just love that pro power without the gas and without the fumes and emissions, don't you?
Yes, I love it. Oh, those tools are so cool. Okay, do you have any tips to help us pay for items that we'll need for our fall projects? Help us pay for them.
All right, great. Everybody, we all love to shop online, right? But what if I gave you an option where you could pay for it over time? So Affirm is going to do that for you. It's a transparent alternative to credit cards. It gives you the flexibility. You can shop for all these home decor, gadgets, and more while paying over time. So you go on the retailer site, a retailer that's selected, Target, Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, Dyson, or a few. They got 12,000 to choose from. And then right at checkout, if you're approved, you choose your payment plan so you can spread out those payments bi-weekly or monthly. You get no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. I love it. So, you know, you open your credit card bill, you don't know the fees. With Affirm, you don't have to deal with that. So, want to talk cleaning? I mean, no one loves to clean. Have I told you about microfiber, Carrie?
No, tell us.
Okay, so invest in microfiber to get the job done, because unlike standard cotton cloths and paper towels that just push the mess around, microfiber actually acts like a magnet to effectively remove dirt, debris, allergens, bacteria, and more. As you can see, I use them to clean everything in my house. Mirrors and windows, they work wonders inside and outside. They're super absorbent, so for spills, I like it because I throw them in the wash and use them over and over again. So you can go into Home Depot and you get this a quickie job site microfiber cloths, my favorites. So last but not least, show of hands there in the studio, who loves to clean their bathroom?
Nobody raised their hand, not one person.
Nobody, right? I know you're not raising your hand. My go-to in the bathroom to clean everything, glass, chrome, porcelain, tile, is this Rejuvenate soap scum remover, because it quickly dissolves soap scrub without scrubbing. See here, spray it, let it sit, rinse it, streak-free finish. Voila, as easy as that. You can see why it won multiple cleaning awards, including like best cleaner in my house. I love that it's bleach-free too, because I don't want to smell bleach when I'm cleaning. So Rejuvenate soap scrub remover does it for you. Who doesn't want a cleaner that does the work for you, right?
I mean, amen to that, Kathryn. You have some amazing items. Thank you for all the information. You can go to the website on your screen to order those. Kathryn, great to see you. We'll see you next time.
Oh, it's good to see you, girl. Thank you. Happy fall.